This is a review for All American Chimney Service in Louisville, Kentucky, also J-Town, Kentucky. I bought a wood stove and all associated parts and paid for the install. They did the work yesterday. After they left, I thought I'd better come up on the roof just to make sure everything was good. This is what I found. The pipe looks good from the front. This is the back of the house. Let's see how many dents are in this very expensive pipe they sold me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dents. I decided I'd better have a look in the attic. Right under here in the attic, that pipe also has 2 dents. This wood stove parts and installation is running me almost $7,000. Their markup on the parts is really high. Their labor charges are really high. There is no way that this was an oversight. You can't put in a pipe like this and it be an oversight. These guys knew exactly what they were doing. So this is the quality of work you can expect to get if you make the mistake I did and hire All American Chimney Service.